Hey Ramon, it's Friday. What's going on here?
Right guys, it's Friday, so it should normally be Friday, but we're delivering a vehicle today. Something that we've taken quite a time to do, but what we specialize here at LCH. So come, let's take a look quickly. Don't mind this one over here, this one's already done. This one, if anyone wants to race, let us know. But yeah, let me show you. This is a 2014 Land Cruiser that we've got in. It's got about 140,000 kilometers on the clock. It's been working quite hard. And we just came in and we gave it a full refresh. So we've got rear bumpers. Guys at Onker, this is how you can see it's something, it's good quality. This bumper's almost 10 years old and it works like the day it was put on. All we had to do was just redo the powder coating just to freshen it up a bit. It's been in the mud and hunting and all of those things. The double swing arm carrier that's on, all those are still good. We also did a revamp of the suspension. So we kept our Old Man Emu leaf springs, Old Man Emu coil springs in front, just took the leaf backs apart, cleaned up everything, put it all together, and then we spoiled this guy with a set of MT64s. Beautiful shock over there. The other thing we've done as well is our caster correction kit, so we've just moved the diff, they're 3.5 degrees forward, just for the 2-inch lift and to accommodate the Maxi's 295 tires. Really love this tire, it's a good in-between from a 35 to a 33-inch tire, so it doesn't give you that wideness of the 35, but it gives you a nice height, so you've got nice ground clearance down at the bottom, and being a Maxi tire, it's nice and quiet on the road. The guys from Viper supplied us with a 76mm stainless steel exhaust, canvas cover for his hunting frame. It's original hunting frame that he had on. We just also freshened it up, cleaned it up nicely, added a few lights and more new accessories to the frame, and then we added our own custom made hunting canvas. Front runner roof rack also stood the test of time. All we did was just Raptor coat it to match up the wheel arches, side steps and bumpers. Then something that we did custom here as well, you'll see it's our black, I don't know what you want to call it, something cool that we did is we just wrapped this area black on top over here. Just a lot of wear on the door sill, so instead of repainting the whole door, we just wrapped it up and made it look nice. Come here to the front. We also redid the bull bar, front towage on the bull bar. Everything here at LCH gets a little bit of a custom touch. So we've got set-eye spotlights. We've got our worn fairly that we painted the same color as the vehicle. Engine wise, we've done nothing to the engine, just we've done the ECU tune-up with our exhaust. We've done 2nd and 5th gear ratio, and we've done our NPC 325mm with a billet flywheel. We set ourselves with a custom set of headlights. We've got our, call them the angry eyes, with projector headlights on the inside. Obviously, the Land Cruiser lights that are on here are a bunch of candle lights. Okay, welcome to the inside of the vehicle. So what we did on the inside of the vehicle is we soundproofed the entire cab. So we soundproofed the roof, we soundproofed the doors, all 4 doors, and we soundproofed the floor. And something cool that we did, we've got our Hilux steering wheel inside of here. Also one of our small touches. We changed it up, perforated on the outside, and Alcantara on the top. Something that's quite cool from Tuckler, they've got a nice dash cover. As you can see, it fits nice and snug, keeps all those components from moving around. And what I like about their pouches is that they stay wide open, so you don't have things falling closed. So you can put your things in here and get them quite easily. And we did our set of custom door panels with kicker speakers. This is a set of KS kickers. What we've done with the door panels is also open it up here so you can actually put something inside the door panel. What's quite nice as well is if you take a look over here, we've did a set of cup holders at the back. Did a set of cup holders there with the USB, so your passengers at least can put there something to drink and charge their phone. This is Tuckler's set of seat covers. Nice seat covers from Tuckler. They durable, water resistant, and they fit quite snug. Double cab life. Can't if you just grab the clip there first. No, the bottom one. Oh, stop. So as you can see over here, we've done our amp setup with the inverter down there at the bottom. Client had it, was a bit unneat and tidy, so yeah, we just tidied it up nicely. So our Kicker CX550 5-channel amplifier, running splits in front, coaxials in the rear, and the Kicker 10-inch sub. Just always want to look at the wiring of the vehicle, you know. With vehicles being this age, there's always a lot of guys working on the car. So we've got our little battery plate over here that mounts custom aluminium. That will now mount, and we can mount fuses on here, and we also all label them. At the end of the day, when you're in the bush, you need to know what's going on. Here at LCH, we also use a lot of our braided sleeving, as you can see. It's none of that corrugated sleeving. This is a bit more durable and looks a lot neater. All of our heat shrink is dual insulated, so it's got a bit of glue on the inside, so it also holds the sleeving from moving up and down and seals the connection.